Hi, I'm Jonathan from EveryPoint, and today I'm going to show you how to get the whitish, bluish fringes off of really cool point cloud scans. I know a lot of times people will try to come in here really close and use the segmentation tool and try to skim that blue off. That takes forever. This is another technique that you can use, and it's using scalar fields. I'm just going to show you how to do that. I'm going to chop this whole model in half because I just want to be working on this top half, because what I do might affect this bottom half, and I want to keep this ground around it as is. First thing I'm gonna do is select the model here in the DB tree and then pull up your segmentation tool, which is the scissors. I'm just gonna chop this model kind of in half, just with the top half. You just say include here, and you wanna make sure you hit the green check mark so you don't actually delete any data. And so now I'm just working on this top. The next thing I'm gonna need to do is go to tools, or edit. We're gonna want to convert to scalar field, and we just want B channel, the blue channel. Hit OK, and now everything looks all crazy colors. That's okay. That's the scalar field showing, and all this red stuff is that whitish, bluish points that we don't want anymore. So now we're back in this DB tree on the left. If you scroll down, you'll see a scalar field range here. And what we want to do is you can grab these little dots and you can slide them down, and we basically want to get rid of all the red. And so all that red is now white, which means it's going to get clipped out once I'm done with this. So that looks good. I don't see any red. I could probably be even a little bit more aggressive with it. There might be some other parts just like that. And now I'm happy. So now I'm going to go up to edit, scalar fields, and filter by value. And then we're just going to, don't touch anything, just hit export. And it's going to export a new point cloud. And again, it looks colors are different. That's because the color settings for this point cloud are scalar field. Let's go back to RGB and notice all that blue. There's a little bit of light kind of edges around it. That's fine. I'm going to live with that. But it got a lot of that blue gone. So if I go to that original one here, and let me just turn on RGB. Let's see, we have a lot of this fringe, that blue. And so let's just kind of show you the cleaned up model. Looks a lot better. Then we're just going to take this bottom piece and the new piece. We're going to merge those using this merge multiple clouds tool. Do you want to generate scalar field with the original cloud index? I don't really care. No. There we go. We got this new model. Here I can export it, and you don't have the blue fringing all around the top. So I hope that helps. So in the future, when you're scanning things and you got like the bluish, whitish outline around everything from the sky and from the clouds, it's a good way to get rid of that. That's helpful. Let me know, and I'll be doing some more of these in the future.